Blossiers.
BenBotBC.
Yatta Hunts.
Dovakiin.
I'm saying it a little wrong. Dovakiin.
Yep.
The Dragonborn going for the rush. Yeah, we were just talking about Skyrim VR earlier. I just purchased that. It is on sale for the Steam Autumn sale. If anybody has VR and is into Skyrim.
It is a great VR game.
Oh man, BenBot sees this. He
Yeah.
knows.
Yeah,
He
beware,
knows.
the Dragon Lord comes
Oh,
up the ramp.
Come and get your free NVIDIAs one at a time, SCVs. No, we're just gonna have a brawl on the ramp. SCVs versus drones. Let's get a little. Can we get a zoom in here? I want to see these up close and personal. SCVs starting to filter back. I love how they are able to. They do the mineral walk so they can get through that crowd of just SCV carnage, SCV drone carnage. It's so hard to tell who's winning this. The drones take the battle, but will they take the war? Is
It'll
there
be
any?
this
No, there's
part.
no repairs.
Yeah.
Oh
They're
no! And the Dragonborn. He is too strong.
Beware. Beware.
If there was,
They don't-
if they had gone back
there's a
home and
single-
all repaired each other.
There's a Marine.
Oh my God, Enders, no. The one Marine. Oh my God, Micro Marine. No, he gets stuck in the corner.
Oh well.
Epic, absolutely epic.
Yeah.
But are there any workers back at home? Is there any income? Okay, so,
Yeah,
so
there's a
Dovakiin
couple.
will eventually take this. Okay.
Yeah. So he can even if you
Wow.
That's
Funny, BenBot could build an SCV right now.
Yeah, someone's got to figure this out a little bit for Terran because it makes sense to want to pull back your injured workers and everything, but then you just end up with a bunch of
I love it.
yeah. Okay.
Oh
We're
my
gonna pick-
God, BenBot's
pick it
back
up
in
from
the
here.
game, everybody.
See, this is where
He's alive.
this is where the queen walk across is going to come into play.
Oh my God, if it actually works, I'm gonna die. All right, so I guess they were saying in chat, BenBot and Zoe have some really epic ladder games, like hour-long draws and stuff like that. So BenBot can go toe-to-toe with one of the stronger Zergs for sure. Oh my God. Ah, roaches
It's
poop on the parade.
really too bad.